From your dashboard, select the Fee Stream tab on the left-hand side. Select the Daycare Import link in the top right-hand corner. From here, you can select to upload a file that's already been created, or you can select to download the template and complete the file for uploading. For today's tutorial, I filled out a sample file so you can see the information it requests, including the student's first and last name, the daycare fee amount, the due date, keeping the format in year, month, day, parent first name, parent last name, and parent email on their profile. Once this file has been created, you can go ahead and select Upload the file by clicking on the link, grabbing the file that you want, going ahead and importing. You can see here that 3 rows were imported, our 3 students. You can also download a summary if you would like to see this information in Excel format. Once done, you can go ahead and go back to the Students tab to check the student information. And here you can see that Florence has had a September daycare fee added to her profile. And this is how you import individual daycare fees on TuitionEP.